Hi, Team Riverside, Brandy here. I just wanted to let you know that I took our weekly email, the HiCap Happenings for teachers, and I moved it into Google Classroom. Google Classroom is an all-in-one solution that I'll be able to communicate with you in one place. Let me take you on a little tour inside of Google Classroom and show you around so you know how to access what you need when you need it. All right, this is how you access Google Classroom. From ClassLink, you'll click on Google Classroom and it'll open up and you'll have a choice of the classroom that you want to open. You'll be choosing HiCap Happenings. So there are a few things that you need to know. All of it is going to be housed within the stream, and this is basically a news feed, so it's the live feed of what's happening, and classwork. My recommendation is to live in the classwork tab because that's where everything is organized. But I'm going to start with stream because this is the announcement that you're going to get. When I put up a new HiCap happening, you will see it inside of an announcement. This announcement will also be emailed to you, so this will be on the live stream. So you can see that I'm going to upload this video, that the newsletter is moving, and then I have some enrichment that I'm going to place in here as well. All of the material that is in the past is going to be up in the classwork area, as well as information that you can access anytime you need it. So let's go up to classwork, and you'll see all of the topics here on the left-hand side. The top one up here is just my schedule. So if you want to schedule some one-on-one time with me, please, you can do that by clicking on here. You'll open it up and it'll take you to the link in order to schedule that time. Here are all of the enrichment materials that I've shared with you up to this point. Anytime that I have an enrichment activity, I will place it inside of here. It's organized by grade level. I've also included what kind of resource it is and what area of the curriculum it would be most useful for. So you can access any of those. These are family newsletter items that we've sent out via Skyward to families. These are family support items for your own class communication. So if you would like to let families know any piece of information here are some things that you can open up and it will give you some information that you can then drop into your parent newsletter. So if you want to communicate and build credibility with families in the area of gifted education, feel free to use these things. PLC Ponderings, this is an opportunity if we've watched a video or something, and this is on Dabrowski. He's explaining why gifted kids melt down emotionally. Here are a few things that you can discuss inside of your PLC group. And you can also go in and you can respond to any one of these questions. So if you want to communicate with people outside of your PLC and start to have those conversations, which I would definitely recommend, it will go to the elementary staff at Chattaroy and Riverside. So feel free to respond to these so that we can all see your thoughts and ideas. All of our Renzulli learning training is here and it'll be alphabetized. The social and emotional training is right here. Teachers in the spotlight, these are things that we see that are happening at Chattaroy and at Riverside. So that information is there. And then some specific information to the Team Riverside HiCap program. So this is how it's organized. All of you will get an invitation. So you'll see that coming in and there will be no grades, obviously. Again, the classwork, if you want to click on any one of these topics, it'll take you to that specific area. And then you can open up, for instance, accessing Renzulli Learning as a teacher. You can click on it, gives you a little bit of information, and then once you click here, it'll open up that video for you. The stream gives you an updated stream of what is happening. Every Tuesday, you will get the weekly teacher newsletter that'll be coming to you in the form of an announcement. It just comes in telling you what's new inside of the classroom. Once you open up the classroom, my suggestion is to go to classwork. If you need to access anything from the past and the present will be inside of there. Or if you want to just see the last few things that I've uploaded to the stream, feel free to do that here. All right, thank you so much. Please feel free to reach out anytime if you have any questions. I hope this works for all of you and let me know if you have any concerns. Thanks, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.